Okay friends, today I have come again to show you the experiment in which I am using variable speed drill machine, which is used to vary by the regulator of normal uh, appliance fan, and I'm using the coupling of drill machine to my 12-volt dynamo, and it connect with 12-volt bulb, which is bike indicators bulb. And I have also mentioned multimeter for measure the voltage according to vary the speed of motor. Okay, now I am trying. Now I am very speed from start. Okay, this is short experiment, but it is good experiment for realize that how very speed change the voltage, current and resistance or according to load. Okay, thank you for watch this beautiful video.